Hey everyone, it's Dr. Ava again. Do you ever ask yourself if taking online prerequisites look bad to medical school? With technology evolving every day and many things becoming available and popular online, especially after the pandemic, online classes and degrees couldn't be any different. But the question really is, how do medical schools view online prerequisites? That's a valid question. Since prerequisite classes like biology, organic chemistry, and physics are very material heavy, admissions committee want to make sure that you understand the material and that you are fully prepared for medical school. You know, when someone is taking online classes, the internet has all the answers, so they may have suspicions or lack of proof that you really did all the work by yourself. It doesn't just stop there. Since these required classes also involve a lot of lab time, candidates might be questioned about their ability to put everything they learned into practice. There are no set rules when it comes to medical schools accepting or not accepting online classes. So my advice, look in depth into the school that you're applying to or that you want to go to know what is acceptable by them and what is not acceptable by them before pursuing any further. You can obtain accurate information from the AAMC for each school for the 2022 year. Of course, if you have any questions, make sure to reach out to me and I will help you figure this out. See you later.